Morning, everyone. It's Friday morning, 23rd of April. Let's see what's happening in the market. Okay, very quickly today. Bitcoin. So last night's video, I made a video last night. If you watched it, good, because remember we were up here. So we did a breakout of a triangle and a retrace to it, and I was waiting for another move down. So exactly into my buy zone box there. So what to expect today? Well, now, obviously, being in the buy area, I'm really hoping that this will be the bounce from here going upwards. Just keep in mind that this is quite a strong drop, so it could be a very strong reversal, or you could have a situation where you have this as a wave 3, a wave 4, another small dip down, and then wave 5 up. This one more dip down sometimes occurs, not always, but it's just there to weed out the weak hands. So those are having the stops down here will get taken out and then it turns up. All right, so that's Bitcoin possibly today or then this weekend. But yeah, hit our target to get out very perfectly, very nicely. I mean, Ethereum. Okay, remember I sold Ethereum there and I sold Ethereum there. When I say sell, I mean a short sell in another trading platform, not a holding platform. So this morning I woke up nicely over there. So it's done such a nice move. Everything else is down at support. So that's why I'm like, I'm not going to hold onto my sells here. I'm rather going to get out. So I've closed that for a profit. Now I'm just going to watch and see what it's doing. Ethereum long term is always going to be a buy, but I just need to find a support or a nice structure to buy in it again. At the moment, it's broken the high from yesterday, then it comes down. So now I just want to see what it's trying to do here. If it's going to be a flat like this, and then continuing up from there, I'm not sure. The structure is very, very difficult to analyze. The Litecoin one, perfectly as well. I sold it right at the top. I got actually very lucky there because I saw my structure as a flag. I thought, okay, well, if it stays below wave 1, like I said to you yesterday, it is going to do one more push down. It has. It actually spiked right down into the box, the blue box area. So that has worked out nicely as well. We kind of have to wait and see if it's going to do a little bit of a like this and then the big move up. So now today it's just a waiting game, but it has reached the zone. So just watch out for that. Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Ripple. Okay, our favorite coin of the month. This has worked out nicely. So remember ABCDE triangle. Let me go 1 hour so you can see nicely. But before I do that, nicely into our blue box area for buy. Remember, I said to you anywhere between $1 and 85 cents. Okay, watch my video again from yesterday. $1 and 85 cents, and it's reached a very nice 87 cents. So just above 85. So 87 cents spiked up. So if you had placed your order down there, you would have a very nice entry at the moment. So what did I say yesterday? I said um, it has to stay below this level for my wave E to validate my triangle. If it doesn't, it goes up, it's going to break my triangle structure and then it's something else. So for those who are still learning Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3 is worked. Now 5 ways for your A, B, C, D, E for your triangle. It has not invalidated by going higher. So it perfectly made a triangle and moved down. So if you're learning still, that is the perfect scenario. So it's our buy zone perfectly. So yes, I'm in that. I mortgaged my house, not quite, but I'm in XRP for the long run now. The next move I'm expecting is at least above $2, and then we'll approach $3 quite easily in the next coming weeks. Okay, so that's looking good so far. If you're still looking at other stuff at our trade like gold and that, have a quick look here. Gold has just gone a little bit sideways last night. Looks like it's breaking down, so possibly I might still make profit here with a down move. Oil, American oil, WTI. Okay, cool. This is very good. So I sold my cells, or got out my cells there, because I wasn't sure if it was going to make a bounce, wrong pin, a bounce like this, hit this and then drop. It didn't, so it's making look like a running flat. So at the moment, yes, I got in here again for a sell, hoping for this move now. So we should have that down, running flat, and that move down. So what is that? That is 58 area. Okay, that's our next support sort of area to have a look at. So let me just go to the 4 hour, see what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm still hoping for on oil. If this works out, guys, this is a very nice buy opportunity down here at the 52 zone. So let's see how it plays out. And yeah, watch cryptos today, guys. It's going to take a while. Sometimes it turns like on a dime and it just rockets. But after a move like this, a lot of people are panicking. So it might go sideways for all day today, make one more dip possibly, and then only turn up. So be patient and good luck. Oh, obviously, guys, if you this is my channel now. I've just created like a couple of weeks ago, just for my friends, so just and family. So if you like it, great. Like the videos. Let me know what you think. Thank you.